Hello, this is Daniel and welcome to my channel for yet another video. Alright, so you may know that I really like Japan, and one of the things that I've always been looking for is an opportunity to connect, Japan with other countries. And today I think I found a nice opportunity, which is to invite my girlfriend to one of my videos. So could you say hi quickly?
皆さんこんにちは、ゆうです。
Thank you for joining me today. So the reason why I brought her here to this channel today is because I want to talk about a topic which I think is very important for the growth of each of us as artists and also as people, which is to learn from each other. Well, I think the two of us are actually very different kind of people, but I still learned a lot from her, even as an artist, and I think for her it was similar.
先に今回作ったスカルプティングの話をした方がいいんじゃない？
Yeah, the sculpture that you can see on the video right now, it's actually something called the chopstick holder. How do you explain it?
箸置きって言います、日本語では。箸は chopstick で、置きは something to put holder で、箸を置くものです。
We were kind of missing one at our place, and I suppose we shouldn't really go outside too much at the moment anyways, and we decided to make one that we thought was cute, which is a cat. It's kind of a design that's popular in Japan at the moment. But anyways, I hope you like it and just enjoy watching the creation in the background. But let's get back to our actual topic. So I've kind of had this experience, or I guess online all of us really have this experience that the internet is kind of a reflection of yourself, because you can see the things that you like. You only follow people that say the things that you agree with. Yeah, I would say that it's really just a representation of what you are already at the moment.
そうだね。
But sometimes it is important to see something different and to grow and kind of do the things that you don't like or you're not used to. And I think I had this experience throughout the past couple of years, and I want to talk a bit about that. Basically, the two of us, I think we're completely different. I'm an artist. You're not really.
そうだね。
What do you like to do?
私は化粧品が好きで、広告とか見るのも好きだけど、アーティスト目線ではないです。
Right, and I suppose as for our personalities, I mean, you may know me already after these many years, but I'm a very analytical person. I'm a very sort of
分析 タイプ。
Yeah, you could say that. I really think you have to focus to make progress, and you have to study hard. And you, on the other hand, are very relaxed, I think, and very the kind of person that lives in the moment, I think.
そうだね。確かに。ちょっとタイプが違うかな。
And in this, it was first for me very difficult sometimes to kind of agree with her, as in I would say, hey, we have to learn harder for university, or I would say, hey, we should do this, do that, and I would always kind of act logically, but then you would say like no, because I don't feel like it.
そうだね。どっちかというと感情タイプかな。
Right, feeling person.
直感
What do you call it? Intuition?
わからん。わからん。
I think it's intuition. But then I guess over the years, we kind of learned to understand each other. And for me, one particular way in which it helped me to improve my art was that back then I used to be, as I said, very analytical, and I would not really think about what I want to say in an artwork. I would not really consider what my art is really for, but instead I would just focus on the technical things, just see if I can do it better in a mathematical way almost. But now, well, she kind of got me started to think about what do I like, what do I dislike, because she has it very clearly figured out for herself. Because you know exactly what you like and what you dislike, and that's something I really respect. But then the more and more I try to think about it, the harder it would be. Like, I don't know, easy things like, what do you want to eat? Is a simple question. I mean, you can tell me at any time what you want to eat. But for me, that's actually quite a difficult question. I would think, like, I don't know, anything would be fine, actually. Everything is somewhat good, somewhat bad. I mean, it's all relative in my eyes. But then, I saw that there's a different way of living, and it took a lot of effort and time to get used to it. But I think after these years, I've become a person that is able to feel more of the things that your intuition would tell you, rather than just thinking logically about something.
たまにはアーティストじゃない人からアートワークを見てもらうっていうのが新しかったんじゃない？
Right. And did you have a similar experience?
何かこれがいいとか、ものを作った時にアートとして美しくないとか、アーティスティックじゃないっていうことを、アーティストだからいうことがあって、私はどっちかというと好き嫌いとか、自分がこれがいいとかって決めてたから、なんかそれがすごく新しかったかな。アーティストだから多分私とかよりもすごくこだわりが強いのかなっていうふうに思うけど、こだわり強いでしょ。
Right. Well, I'm kind of picky about the details, but that's kind of part of the job.
そうだね。私は好き嫌いのその白黒はっきりみたいな感じだけど、どっちかというとダニエルはなんか黒白を混ぜたグレーでもいいとか。
Yeah, I think in kind of 3D art and generally design, you have many different options, and you're always trying to figure out the best. So you never throw away an idea just because it doesn't feel right. You always have to,
そうね。
yeah, kind of see what parts of it you could maybe use and what's maybe to be improved and so on.
じゃあアーティストじゃない人にアートワークここやだとかここいいねって言われるいいところは何ですか？
Oh, that reminds me, by the way, I actually wanted to talk about this too, because since we've been together, I've always been receiving feedback from her, and it was very interesting because at first it just confused me so much, because the feedback wasn't anything specific. It wasn't like like you could do this part a bit bigger or something. It was more like, it's sort of strange. The legs look wrong. And I'm like, okay, what am I supposed to change now? It's just like the legs are wrong, and it's just like a general direction, and it might sound like it would be a huge distraction, but I started to completely trust this kind of voice from a spectator perspective. And if she says that the legs are wrong, she doesn't have to give me the details about what is wrong, but I know that there's something to be fixed, and it always turns out to be true that if I put some more time in and I search for the problem, and together we usually find out what was actually kind of not in the right place, it always turns out to be a lot better afterwards. And therefore I think you really should never kind of throw away an opinion, even from a person who doesn't seem to really understand the subject at first.
私も何が違うのか、この足の何が違うのかっていうのを伝えるのがすごく難しい。私はアーティストじゃないから、普通のアーティストだったらここをもっと太くとかここをもっと細くとかエッジがどうとか言えるけど、でも私はアーティストじゃないから、なんかこう伝えたいけど伝えられないっていうところがあるから、なんかもうジェスチャーとかなんかここなんかこうとかなんかこうそれを言葉にするのがすごく難しいけどね、一緒になんかこう解決策を見つけれるから。
Right. And with that said, I guess the takeaway from this video is really that you should always, even if you want to be an artist and you're very focused on your goal, not to, lock yourself away, not to close yourself off all other opinions, and to really embrace normal people. Because that is where you might find the difference between, an always learning artist and somebody who is actually being seen by the public and enjoyed in an entertaining kind of sense.
そうだね。普通の人の方が見る人が多いからね。
Right. Our audience, in the end, as artists, it's always going to be, it's kind of a...
普通の人。
Yeah, well, normal people, exactly. Yeah, that's pretty much all we wanted to talk about. And I really hope you enjoyed this kind of video. We were not sure, or actually we're thinking for a long time about making a video together. But it's kind of, I guess, a new and strange thing for both of us. But we really enjoyed it, I think. And I'm currently in the middle of trying out lots of things on this channel, and I'm really interested in your opinions. So definitely leave a comment below about what you thought and if you had any ideas for what I could try next. And other than that, I hope I see you again next week in my next video. Thank you for watching. See you then. Bye.
Bye bye.